get started. So we're going to be using our Femi Collection 2 times Mali Curl Braid Hair. Ooh, look at this curl pattern, y'all. Yes, I am here for this. Super smooth, super bouncy. Love it. So we're going to take our hair and we're going to cut it in half. And then we're just going to pull it apart. As you can see, there will be some frizzy parts with this hair. So I like to fight that with the Talia YG Curly Curl Cream. And I like to apply this on the hair before I install the hair. That way, when I'm installing the hair, I kind of will already have an idea of what my curls will look like. So you're just going to spread it on there and kind of curl the hair around your fingers. And as you can see, it definitely will be some frizzy parts coming off of the hair. Other than that, it looks good. We're going to take our crochet needle, and the most important thing is making sure that your latch is closed before you start pushing it through your hair. That way your hair won't grab on and pull any of your hair. So once again, make sure that latch is closed. Be careful. And you're just going to push the needle through the hair, once again making sure that latch is closed. And now you can open the latch up. I like to hold my finger on the latch, that way I can make sure that the latch is closed. The latch is open the entire time. Now hook the hair through, close the latch, and pull the hair through. You don't have to rush it, just pull it through slowly. Then you're just going to open that latch back up. Be careful because it will grab some of your hair. Then you're going to have a loop on one side, and then you're going to have the hair on the other side. So you're just going to easily pull the hair through the hole. Pull tight, and then separate and pull tight again. There we go. We do not need any loose hairs. Okay, honey? Once again, we're just going to take our needle, ensuring that the latch is closed so that we do not grab any of our hair, okay? Same thing. You're just going to push that needle back through your hair or through the braid. Push. Open that latch. Hold that latch to make sure that it doesn't close on you before you have the hair already hooked. Take your hair. Once again, holding that latch. Pulling the hair through the hook. Closing that latch. And boom, we're just going to pull. Super easy, right? Then, holding the hole in one hand and the hair in the other one, we're just going to pull that hair right back through that hole. Pull tight. One time and 2 times. Easy. All right, let's speed this thing on up. I think y'all got it now, right? Now we're just going to do the back, honey, because we want a full look on this one, okay? So same thing, we're just going to finish at the back, make it full. For this particular one, I wanted it to be a little bit longer. I wanted it to be like right at the shoulder, a little bit longer than right at the shoulder. So we're just going to go ahead and add those pieces in the back, and then once again making sure that we put our curly curl cream on the hair, because like I said, this hair will definitely shed. So when you're done and you're going throughout the process, you definitely will see a lot of portions. You will have like a little ball of the little flyaways or the frizzy parts of hair, but definitely there will still be enough hair in the packs for you to use. And for this particular style, for my whole head, I use about 3 packs, especially since you get to cut the pieces in half. It will definitely give you a full look. Oh, okay. So let me tell you, it's been a little windy in Atlanta, child. So just in case that wind blow back, we need to make sure the edges are laid, honey. And we're using our Eco Styler Coconut Styling Gel. Yes, get the edges, girl. Okay. All right. The brush ain't doing it. Hello. I don't care. I know some of y'all being bougie and y'all using the mascara brush, but ain't nothing like using that toothbrush for them edges, okay? I don't care what y'all say. I'm still using my toothbrush. And I like for my edges to be a little swirly. I've been doing it like that since I was probably 10 years old. And because our makeup kind of got a little bit ruined because of the gel, we're just going to brush that up. And voila, we're done. All right, love. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video and you learned something new. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I hope that you have a great day. And remember to always keep God first. Mwah.